how to fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars. So if you're facing a lag or Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars on your Android or your iPhone, then here's the fix. The first thing you need to do is check your internet connection, because if you don't have an internet connection, then you will face this problem. So once you've checked your internet connection, you need to go with your Play Store or your App Store and go with the search, and under search you need to search for Brawl Stars. Once you've searched here, if you have any updates under your Brawl Stars, then you just need to simply go with update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then remove that. And then you need to open up your settings, scroll down, go with the apps. And here you need to go with see all apps and search for the Brawl Stars. Once you search for Brawl Stars, you just need to simply open the application of Brawl Stars and go with the storage and cache, and then go with clear cache under your Brawl Stars. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply uninstall the application and again install it from your App Store or your Play Store, and you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.